drop off. Should probably toss something in there so I don't fall back in. All right, let's get at her. All right, so just filled this up with some wood and a big chunk of ice that I took from behind this tire. Just gonna keep pulling it back. Don't worry, Coco, we'll get out. See how it goes. Come on, come out. Focus that. Oh yeah, getting real close. Just need like another foot. Turn my wheel a little bit. Tires are straight enough now. Just gotta go a little bit more. Should be able to drive out. Alright, let's hope that's enough. Okay, I got out of that. Figure something out. Yeah, this track is gnarly through here. You got to ride the edge, come along, go into there, sunk right in. Almost got stuck right here too. It's definitely quickly becoming locker country. All right, so I figured easiest place to turn around is actually up ahead. So just gonna scratch my truck driving through here and turn around up there. Okay, I guess not. Looks like I'm glad I left that strap there. It's not gonna be too bad. I already got this set up. So see how this goes. Yeah, my winch isn't doing it right now. It's not able to pull the load. I'm gonna have to try using a snatch block or something and go back to the frame again. Way too much weight. I can hear my my fenders, my flat fenders, just cracking and popping against the end there. So we'll keep at her. Should come. As you can see, we're pretty deep. All right, time to go check things out. Alright, so I'll probably clear some of this stuff, make it a little easier, but seems like the snatch block is helping, and definitely on our way out. There we go, pull it out. Ouch. Ouch. Alright, well, we're getting there now. Dummied my fender up, but the panel looks untouched though. Pretty much hammered away at that thing with this little hatchet, chopped it up. So I'll probably free up that front right tire, let it just drop in here, Maybe actually gonna throw my pad down there. This has been a hard winch job, so anything I can do to make it easier. Alright, so gotta get that front passenger tire on here. Alright, gonna stop here, go and inspect. Alright, she's getting there. I think if I put it in park, I can re-spool it a bit because it's starting to hit the screw now. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, so I'm actually just gonna try and drive out now. And I'm free. Nice. Just gotta find a way to turn around. Alright, well, looks like I'm gonna have to do this in reverse. Just gotta get up a little hill over there, and if I don't, then at least I can winch myself out of here. So, see how it goes. Alright, well, I got a little further. Let's go see how it looks. Okay, so my next opponent right here. Gotta reverse through this. So I'm gonna drop my pad down right there. And then up there I'll be able to turn around. Sometimes it's not such a bad thing to be stuck. And you got some nice woods around you. So I've actually found that burned up truck over there, or it actually looks like a Dodge minivan. I think we should go get out, check it out. There's actually a German Shepherd running around out here. A German Shepherd with a red bandana. See, my dog's getting right at it. Alright, well, for the sake of not having a dog fight in the middle of the woods, I'm gonna go out by myself. I'm not gonna bring my dog with me. No, stay. You stay, girl. She's not gonna be very happy about that. Oh, wow, look at that. Like a Ford Envoy or something? No idea. Wow. Awesome. Alright, for anyone that doesn't know how to adjust your steering wheel, your steering wheel looks like this, and your tires are straight on either side. They match up with your back tires. You've got a problem there. You got to adjust your drag link. So come down here.
right there you go. So I'm going to loosen off both these nuts, and then I'm going to turn it a little bit one way and see if it turns my steering wheel. So I got it loose here. Got that loose. This is still very tight. Yeah, not much is going on there. So I gotta spray it with something. Okay, so it looks like I was going the wrong way. So I was just airing up, couldn't find my cap, and I actually broke my cap. So, yes, still comes off. Threads aren't damaged, so it should be okay. Aired up now, off the trails. Pushing on the drag link turns the steering wheel towards the passenger. Pulling on the drag link turns the steering wheel towards the driver's side.